Hi everybody, I thought we'd do something a little bit different today because I have a bit of an unboxing video to do. My dog's helping out. I got these headphones to try out. I have never heard of this brand, but honestly I don't pay attention to stuff like that. So I thought we'd start with the packaging and we'll open it up. I started to open it up a little bit, so that's why it looks like this. But right off the bat, I don't know if you can see this. This part's raised, which I didn't notice when I first got this. Look how cool that is. Very well packed. Oh, this is raised ink as well. Not even raised ink, like the whole package is raised. So from what I can tell, I have to peel that off. And then I should be able to slide this out the rest of the way. So there's that part, in case you want to read any of this. Let's see, how does this open? Look at this. Here we go. Now we're gonna lift this off. And here is our case and our headphones. Wow, those are nice. Oh, they already turned on. My cat's gonna come join us. Here are the actual headphones. Oh, they're magnetic. They just pop right in there. The case is like really nice. It's hard to explain. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Here is our charging cable. Wow, even that is nice. It's super, like, look at that cable. Let's see, we have a C-to-C cable. Has this Velcro holder for it, so you can keep it if you travel a lot or just want to keep it secure. Looks like these are covers. And packaging's so nice, you don't want to mess it up. Here we go, you have the different size covers for the ears. I'll probably end up having to use the little ones, like tiny ears. And then I'm going to go ahead and guess that these is the instructions. Yes, here we go. So in case you lose it, there's a QR code in case you want it to learn more. Look at that packaging. So we have a quick start guide. There's this QR code in case you need that. That's the download. We have, just in case anyone loses this and wants to find this information. That's a good one right there. And then it tells you how to charge. Looks pretty straightforward. And then there's another little book that just has safety, warranty stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and try these out, see how well they fit, and we'll get that added to this review as well. Upside down. So again, super nice case. Let's say next to a pen, because I just happen to have a pen here. Not very big at all. And then these guys are so nice. Alright, I'm going to try them out and I will report back. Okay, so I have officially paired these. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the app, which is this QR code, or you can just go to the Google Play Store, Apple Store, whatever. Google Play. I have an Android, don't come at me. And once you download the app and you create an account, which takes very little time, you will be prompted to pair this. So when you first get this and you open it up, this light is going to be blue and it's gonna blink, meaning that it's in pairing mode, until you actually pair it. Then it'll turn a solid blue, and now that these are paired, they're green. So you're gonna bring up the app, it's gonna give you the steps, and then it's gonna tell you, it's gonna have a picture, like you're gonna see what looks like your product on there, and it's gonna tell you to tap on one of these, like the top of it, which you do, and in real time it'll be like, oh, okay, I see this there, and it is paired. So these are paired now. I tried out the, whatever these are called. I don't know. The headphone part. Anyway, the size it comes with fits my ears really well, so I'm going to stick with that one, at least for a little while, and I might change it to a small. We'll see. And if you're new to these, like I am, you're going to want to put it in your ear and kind of twist it. These are noise canceling, so I am totally prepared to not hear my children yell mom every 2 seconds and just listen to my headphones. So far, already impressed. Haven't even used them yet, so we'll see how well they do. I'll test out the microphone and all that stuff, but here we go. I just wanted to add in how to actually pair these. So far, extremely user-friendly, but don't get frustrated. Download the app. Let the app guide you.